All right, what do you say? Wednesday morning, folks. Hope you're doing well. We're at the midpoint of the week. Stocks this morning heading into the pre-market trading lower. S&Ps are off about 15. Dow Jones down 100. And NASDAQ futures are down about 75 points this morning. We just got some, or at least for today, a big data point announcement, which was the ADP private payroll jobs report. That number came in stronger than expected. 455,000 jobs created versus the 450,000 that they were expecting. No impact yet on these markets. FX, continuation of that dollar weakness we saw yesterday. So FX, that dollar trading to the tune of about 0.5% weaker against most all of its peers. So seeing a continuation of that dollar weakness. And a lot of that weakness due in part to the inflation reports that we're getting overseas, notably in Europe, places like Germany seeing extraordinarily high inflation. In a lot of ways, higher inflation than what we're seeing here in the States, thought being they're going to have to raise those rates really quickly. Oil was the big mover yesterday morning. If you recall, oil was down. WTI was down nearly 7% in the pre-market. This morning, we're seeing it bounce back. We're up 3%. WTI trading at $107 a barrel. So, all right, not out of the woods yet. Still got some more data points for the latter part of the week. We got that March jobs report coming out on Friday morning. Get ready for that. It's going to be another volatile day. Plenty of price action to trade. Hope you folks have a good Wednesday. I'll see you again tomorrow morning.